This tutorial is going to show us how to multiply larger numbers by 2 digits using partitioning. Let's look at this example. Here we have a 2-digit number, 22, and we're multiplying it by another 2-digit number, 15. We need to partition one of the numbers. Let's partition 15. Partitioning means breaking the numbers into their place values. So here we have 15 has been broken into its tens place and its units values. First, we have to take 22 and we're going to multiply it by 10. What number is 10 times bigger than 22? 220. Next, we multiply 22 by the ones value, 5. 2 times 2 is 10. 2 times 2 is 10, and remember to add on that 1 is 11. So the product of 22 times 5 is 110. Finally, we're going to add the two products. 210 add 110 gives us an answer of 330. So the product of 22 times 15 is 330. Let's look at this other example. 54 multiplied by 18. We'll partition the 18 into its tens and ones values. So 18 is 10 and 8. First, we'll multiply 54 by 10. That will give us a product of 540. Next, we'll multiply 54 by the ones value. And that, of course, is 8. Let's write it out nice and neat. 54 multiplied by 8. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 5 is 40, and I need to remember to add on that 3. So the product of 54 times 8 is 432. Finally, we've got to add the two products to find the answer. So 540 plus 432 gives us a total of 972. And that's your final product. 54 times 18 is 972. I'd like you to try this one at home. Pause the video, give it a go, and then press play again to see how well you did. Compare your working out to mine. The first step, 67 times 10, 670. Next, 67 times 3, 201. Finally, add the two products to give us 871, and that finds the final product. 67 times 13 is equal to 871. What about multiplying bigger numbers by 2 digits? And this time, looking at 2 digits with more than just 10 in the tens place. So 340 multiplied by, let's say, 34. 34 can be partitioned into 30 and 4. Just like before, our first step will be to multiply by the tens values. So 340 multiplied by 30. Some of you can do this in your head, but others might be better off writing it down. 340 times 3 to begin with. So far we've multiplied it by 3 only. We wanted to multiply it by 30. So we need to remember to add that extra 0 to make it 30 times bigger, not 3 times bigger. So 340 multiplied by 30 is 10,200. Next, we multiply 340 by the ones value 4. 340 multiplied by 4. And it has a value of 1,360. I can sense check at this moment in time because I know that 340 times 4, this product, has got to be smaller than this product because that was multiplying by the multiples of 10, 340 by 30. Next, we just add our two products. 10,200 plus 1,360. My total is 11,560. This is actually the answer, the product to 340 times 34. Take a few moments to go through that step by step. Do you understand each part and each calculation? We've partitioned 42 into its 10 value and 1's value. Let's multiply 215 by 40. Let's remember, we're not multiplying it by 4, but we're multiplying it by 40. 8,600. Next, we'll multiply 215 by the 1's value. 215 times 2. The final product is 9,030. I'd like you to try a couple of these at home. Find the product of 89 and 64. Write out all of your calculations neatly so that you can follow it step by step in a minute when you press play again. So, how did you do? Can you follow each step? Now I'm going to challenge you to multiply a 3-digit by a 2-digit. Okay, so pause the video and then When you're ready to come back and check your calculations compared to mine, well, just press play again. Good luck.